I'm Colonel Ajay Gupta. I served in Indian Army for 23 years. I served in the missile unit, the first missile which was made by India under the APJ Abdul Kalam. I did one of the best two professions in my life. I was protecting the countryman from any external enemy. Now I'm protecting the wealth of the people of this country. You see, something sometime happened by default. So I have been investing my own investment since 2003. I left the private job on an ethical ground one day and started thinking what to do. But let me confess, in this journey, Prudent is the most credible partner in the finance industry. ऐसा honest and the transparent organization शायद दूसरा नहीं है, and I'm totally loving it. You see, the fund bazaar started in 2016, and I remember that time I must have given about 70 to 100 odd suggestions when they started, and a lot of them got implemented, so I feel very happy about it. But the improvement is a constant process. तो फंड बाजार का जो सबसे बढ़िया बात है, with your laptop you can work even in Siachen Glacier if there's an internet. Then the app itself gives such a confidence to the people. They can say and relate, मैंने आज इतना इन्वेस्ट किया था, आज इतनी वैल्यू है और मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. उस पर इतने रिसर्च के फीचर हैं, शायद मैं भी पूरा मैंने एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया होगा. क्लाइंट एक्सप्लोर करे, उसको वो फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर दिखेगा फंड बाजार में कि वो सोच नहीं सकता कि वो क्या प्लेटफॉर्म है. और जब मैं अपनी लाइफ से बात करता हूँ, यू हैव टू बी अ वेरी वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड ऑनेस्ट. द फंड बाजार टोटली रिफ्लेक्ट्स द ऑनेस्टी एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. If your investment is going on, you remain disciplined. And if you're disciplined, only then you'll be able to create wealth. Patience in any kind of market volatility, your patience should remain, because the patience will give you a growth. Market never gives growth to anybody. It is your reaction at the time of different kind of market will give you a growth or degrowth. आज market down है, आपका investment minus और आपने निकाल लिया, तो आपका नुकसान ही नुकसान है. So basically, you have to discipline, and your discipline is also our quality to make sure you remain disciplined. Otherwise, you'll never be able to create wealth. So I have two quotes in Prudent. If I combine together, the total AUM is 210 crores and SIP book is 1.96 lakhs as of today. So this happened in two different codes in the average journey of about 7 to 8 years. अभी तो जर्नी शुरू हुई है, ये तो अब शुरुआत है. मुझे लगता है कि प्रूडेंट यहाँ से, जैसा आज विजन में पता चला, 50 लाख करोड़ जब हम एक डेवलप्ड नेशन होंगे, और शायद हम 1 से 2 लाख करोड़ होंगे, ऐसा मेरा सोचना है. अभी तो जर्नी शुरू हुई है. वाओ.